how to fix Pinterest picture not showing. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I have brought you another fixing solution for your problem, that is if your Pinterest picture is not showing. I'm going to tell you a way that you can fix that. So first of all, to start this fixing solution, first of all what you need to do is you have to open your Pinterest. So if your pictures are not showing on Pinterest, or if they are taking too long to download, first of all what you have to do is you have to check your internet connection. To check the connection of your internet speed, what you can do is you can go on to an online, you can go on to Google and search for an internet speed checker. Open that and check the speed of the internet. If it is too slow, then obviously Pinterest will take long to download or load the pictures that you want to see. But if or you can go on to Google and search for some random things or Google images and see if the other pictures are loading good, or if it's just about the app of the Pinterest that is causing the problem. After you have differentiated that your internet is fine, what you can do is you can go onto the Pinterest app. Right now I'm using Pinterest on web, but this solution is going to work for Pinterest app on Android, on Apple, or even on the, if you're using Pinterest on web, it is going to work for that too. So after opening your app, what you need to do is you need to open your account from this option on the bottom right corner. After you open your account, you are going to see a nut bot here on the top right corner, which basically indicates the settings. Open the settings, and here you're going to find privacy and data. You have to open the privacy and data. In the privacy and data, scroll down till the end and you're going to find this clear recent searches, and which also says cached data. So sometimes a cached data gets accumulated into your app or your Pinterest web, and it basically lags the whole process of loading up, and pictures take and everything that you search takes a lot of time to load, because there is a lot of, you can say, cache data is like the garbage for your app. So it basically slows down the memory and it slows down the retrieval process of images and everything. So you can click on this clear recent searches. Your recent searches are cleared, my cache data is cleared, and now my Pinterest will work way faster than it was working before. So this is how you can fix the problem of Pinterest pictures not showing, and this is how you can just go on and smoothly go through your Pinterest. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.